Protein can help you burn fat, 20% to 30% more calories, and help you build muscle. But it's important for you to know how to use it and maximize your results and not stall any weight loss progress. Let's get to it. All right, we just finished up dinner, guys. We got some food at Tommy Bahamas. Fire spot, fire spot. All right, so with there being different protein types, like whey, isolate, casein protein, plant protein, it's important to know what they do and how they help you the best personally. Here, let me simplify it for you. So as long as you make sure that your protein powder or protein food isn't high in sugars, fats, or carbs, you can pretty much make sure that it's not gonna be ruining your calorie deficit or any of your weight loss progress. But no matter what, guys, I promise you, a high protein intake is going to help tremendously in many factors that lead to a speeded, boosted metabolism. Real quick, guys, a little bonus before I forget. Protein powder versus protein foods. It's not too much of a difference. If you need your intake and you're not getting your proper protein intake, you still should be taking protein powder, and it can help towards weight loss. I will still always suggest that solid protein foods are still better than liquid protein because your body tends to hold on to more of it, and also it helps with metabolism just a little bit more to boost it and get the full benefits. Real quick, guys, just remember it's super important to make sure that through you getting all your protein intake in, you're not exceeding your calories burned with calorie intake. Make sure you're hitting caloric deficit consistently so you can still make sure you're getting weight loss. Another huge help protein powder or high protein intake in general has towards losing weight is literally how much it satisfies your actual hunger. I'm telling you guys, if you increase your protein intake, if you're not eating a lot already, you will not be as hungry throughout your day. And I still recommend you make sure to keep larger portions of your protein intake for your last meal or later meals in the day so you don't feel tempted to eat carbs or a heavier meal before bed. If you found this video helpful in any way, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you soon. Check out this video right here. And as always, prove yourself wrong. You zooming in on? What the hell you think you're zooming in on, boy?